So this question is actually very interesting. You can see we can solve this in 30 seconds easily, but because here I have to explain, so I may take more than 30 seconds. It's a game of converting all the factorial in a single factorial. Do you think it is tough? Let's see here how easy this one. Of course, mathematics is always easy. We need angle to see the solution part. This particular factorial 5 I can break as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and this factorial 3 I can break as 3 into 2 into 1. Now you see, catch is because factorial 7 is already there, so if somehow I can increase this factorial using these two, automatically I'll be getting factorial n. But how can we do that? Very simple. This 3 and this 3 will give me 9. This 2 and this 2, this 2 and this 2, this 4 will give me 8. This 5 and this 2 will give me 10. Now you see, almost got over. This factorial 7 I will write here as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now you can see it looks like factorial 10. So our n value is going to be 10. I hope it's very clear.